When you first receive your UG5000AWC paint gun washers, the setup process begins by checking the packaging for any transport damage. Once confirmed, remove all tape and unnecessary packaging from the machine. The next step is to open the two doors and check inside. The door handles will need to be reversed, so they're installed on the outside. UG5000AWC doesn't come with plastic pails, uses its metal pails, and ensures that clipping the ground wire is for all. Inside the box, you'll find essential accessories. Next, 2 suction pipes, wash solvent and wash water, and 2 rinse pumps with labels, clean solvent, clean water. Install the wash solvent, and clean solvent must be in the solvent pail accordingly. Likewise, wash water and clean water should be in the water pails. Please ensure you do not interchange the suction pipes and rinse pump. Next, open the drain valves for both solvent side and water side. You'll also find a 15-foot air hose, fittings, and a moisture filter. Start by attaching plumbing tape to the threads of your fittings to prevent air leaks. Next, remove the red cap from the air inlet and screw the moisture filter fitting into place. Hand tighten it, or use a wrench if preferred. Now, attach the blue hose to the blowgun and orange hose to the whip line, ensuring all connections are secure. At this point, do not hook up the air line just yet. Once all the hoses are in place, connect the air inlet and verify that the air flows correctly. Finally, ensure proper grounding the machine and metal pails by connecting the ground wire to a metal surface, typically near the wall, to ensure safe operation. You're now ready to begin cleaning. Use the trigger clamp to open position of the spray gun trigger open, and use the air purge plug to cover spray gun's air passage. Place your spray gun and pots, refer to the user manual, inside the wash tank, ensuring that any parts, like a gun or pots, are properly positioned. Once the auto wash is completed, press the air rinse switch to clear the liquid inside the air passage. Next, press the clean rinse switch for the final rinse. Only press one time, and for the next wait for 30 seconds to prime it. Press the foot pedal to activate the manual brush wash process. Wait for the machine to clean your spray gun and pots, and always remember to keep the air passages clear. Once cleaning is done, remove the parts, dispose of waste properly, and rinse the compartments with fresh solvent for solvent tank and water for water tank. Always clean the exterior of your machine after use to maintain performance. Follow the included manual for further operational details. Important: when changing the liquid, removing the pails out, ensure the drain valves are closed to prevent any liquid spills.